Hey guys, I am getting ready to touch up my face because I'm getting ready to go to an event, and I wanted to show you guys the Miracle Face body sponges. I don't know if you remember, for Christmas my husband took me to Ulta and I grabbed stuff that he let me grab, and these are humongous Miracle body sponges by Real Techniques. You guys know I love Real Techniques, and I bought this. I didn't, he did, with his own money. And I said, let me try one out. I'm going to try, I love the pink one. The pink one I think is a new look or maybe limited edition. I don't know. But I am going to try it for my foundation one day, but my foundation's already on. So I'm trying something new. So I'm going to try it with you guys. I want to do my under eye. I'm going to wet it a little bit. I wet the end a little bit. I really don't wet my sponges that much, but I wet it. Hopefully I don't mess up my whole makeup look and have to start over. I'm going to take some concealer. Because I went somewhere earlier, but I didn't highlight and contour. For this event, I want to highlight and contour. I don't like this color, almond, on me. I'm going to take the sponge and work that in. I love how big this sponge is. If you have long nails too, you will love how big this sponge is. Like I said, I am going to try it for like a full face of foundation. I don't like doing my foundation with a sponge. I don't like doing it with the other Beauty Blender sponge because I feel like it just takes too long. It doesn't blend in the way I want it. But this one might be alright. Now it's kind of big for under the eye. But I was so excited to try it that I want to try it. I think it's kind of big for under the eye. And I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like wetting it takes away from my concealer. I don't know if that's just me. People wet the sponge, but I feel like when you wet it, it just soaks it in. It's probably just me. But I'm going to put some more. And I put it directly on the sponge. Because that's just how I feel. That's better. And then what I want to do is take a loose powder and see how it does with a loose powder. You can take any loose powder. This is Patrick Starr's powder. I think Patrick Starr's powder is a little bit too fine for me. Have you guys tried? And I'm going to take the non-wet side. Patrick Starr's powder. I feel like it's finer than I would like. But I'm going to pile this on. Because I want this to sit while I do the rest of my face. I'm going to let it sit while I do my eyes. But I just feel like his powder is so thin. And I try to be supportive and not return stuff of people I like. Because I really like him and his YouTube channel and everything. And I should have returned it because his powder is just a little bit thinner than what I like. And doesn't soak in the way I like it. I'm not worried about it going too far down because I'm going to contour. But I just want this powder to sit on my face. But I'll use it up. But anyways, while I finish getting dressed, I just wanted to show you guys these. I don't think it's new. It's not new to anyone. It's not new to anything. But I did not own any. And I love how big these sponges are. And it's the Miracle Face and Body Sponge. If you want me to come back and do a review doing a full face of foundation with it and see how I like it, let me know. I actually want to put some powder up here because I get oily. And we're going to be out for a while. Let me know and I will. But so far I will tell you that I think I'm going to go pick up like 2 more of these just to have backups, just to have 4. Love this, especially if it puts on my foundation the way I want to put it on. I'm going to go pick up some more. But if you haven't seen these, I grabbed these from Ulta. You can also grab them from Real Techniques. It says you can cover, blend, contour, do whatever you want to do. I just love, and I don't have one of my other little sponges here, but I love how much bigger they are from the other ones. So just wanted to show you guys. I was super excited when I saw these. It's the little things that tickle my fancy, right? All right, if you guys have these or tried these, let me know. If you want to see a video of me applying liquid foundation with the sponge, let me know and I'll do it for you. See you guys next time.